BJP leader and Minister Ranjit Chautala has resigned from the BJP, saying BJP gave him an offer to contest from Dabwali, but he will fight only from the Rania seat. Remember that Mr. Ranjit Chautala is one of the 9 MLAs that the BJP dropped in its list of 67 candidates that it has released yesterday. Remember that Haryana elections are scheduled to be held on the 5th of October. Ranjit Chautala is a former MLA from Rania constituency in Sirsa district, and he was lobbying to contest from the Rania seat, but the BJP has fielded another candidate, Shishpal Kamboj, from that constituency. Chautala had joined the BJP earlier this year ahead of the Lok Sabha elections after resigning as an independent MLA, and he had fought the Hisar parliamentary seat but was defeated by the Congress party's Jay Prakash.
कांग्रेस लीडरशिप डिसाइड करेगी, हम कौन हैं डिसाइड करने वाले।
मैंने पहले भी कहा, आज भी वो है, हाईकमान का फैसला होगा, क्योंकि ये फैसला एंड में ही आता है। जब भी फैसला
मैंने तो अनेक बार पहले भी कहा है कि जो पंजाब में चन्नी की स्थिति हुई वही नायब जी की होने वाली है।
So that is Ranjit Chautala. He's a Haryana minister and he has resigned from the cabinet on Thursday. Gurpreet, my colleague, joins us from Haryana. He's been tracking these stories. Gurpreet, of the 67 candidates that the BJP announced yesterday, 9 were dropped. 9 MLAs have been dropped, and Ranjit Chautala is one of them. And he says that he was not given the seat that he wanted to contest from, which is the Rania's seat. And of course, the BJP has given it to another candidate, Shishpal Kamboj, and the Congress party is still working on negotiations to bring out its list of candidates. So tell us on both fronts, what is the update that we have?
Well, yes, of course, we have seen Ranjit Chautala, who was the former minister with the Haryana government. He has today given his resignation as a minister, and he has already made an announcement saying he is going to contest the election from same constituency, Rania, as an independent candidate. He was asking for the ticket from the BJP party, but party did not give him a ticket, and after that he had decided to contest as an independent candidate from the same constituency. Ranjit Chautala was the minister in Haryana government, and he had also contested member parliament Hisar from the BJP party. Despite having a very close links with the party, High Command party did not give ticket. If we can talk about overall Haryana politics, we have seen what we have learned from the BJP leaders and top BJP leaders say they had conducted multiple surveys. They had talked to a lot of workers at the grassroots level so that they will be able to give a best candidate, and that could be possible reasons why these MLAs, 9 MLAs, were not able to get the ticket. Not only MLAs, we have seen the names of the ministers had also been dropped. If we can talk about the sports person, we have seen Sandeep Singh, the former minister, sports minister in Haryana, who was in Haryana government. He was not in the new list where we have seen he was not able to get any ticket. If we can talk about the Congress side, we have seen they are also trying to hold multiple discussion because rebels, since this list which was declared by the BJP, after that we have seen a lot of rebels have already speaking very vocally against party, and they have been given ultimatum to the party, either the tickets should be replaced or they are going to chalk out another political strategy. Same thing the Congress is also facing, and that was the pressure on the Congress party to find out there should be less rebellion and there should be less infighting within the party, and that is one of the reasons why there is a delay for making an announcement for the candidate. So let's see what we have learned from the Congress leaders also. They say it can be possible today at night or maybe in tomorrow morning the list will be declared. Let's see what will be happen once the Congress list will be declared. The same time of rebels will come out and speak against the party or not, or they are going to make such type of political strategy. They will be able to pacify rebels within the party. So both the BJP and Congress, they are fighting and struggling with the same problem at this point of time.
Right.
Back to studio.
Gurpreet, also tell us what is happening on the Aam Aadmi Party Congress alliance front, because clearly there is a signal from the Congress High Command to go ahead with the alliance. But what is the state unit thinking? Because in the past also there have been disagreements with the Congress High Command and the state units, and that has also had political consequences.
We have seen not only one time, multiple times, Bhupinder Singh Hooda, the former Chief Minister of Haryana, he has denied making any alliance with Aam Aadmi Party. But we have seen a new development has already been come into this new development where these both parties, they are holding multiple talks on the alliance. So what we have learned from the state unit does not want to forge any alliance, but seems the central leadership, they are convinced and they want to forge this alliance, and because of that multiple meetings are being held. What we have learned, the state unit, they are talking to the central leadership that how the Congress will be able to come into power, but at the same time the central unit wants to know there should not be division of the votes, and that is their intention to hold a multiple meetings so that they will be able to get all the votes, and votes of the Congress and other people should not be divided into Aam Aadmi Party, and that is the criteria which they are following. Let's see, because as of now no Congress leader is telling how many seats they are going to give to Aam Aadmi Party and what type of strategy they are making for forging alliance with Congress Party. That is yet to be seen, but yes, talks are already on the way, and we have seen the multiple leaders, they have already confirmed they are on the way to forge any alliance with Aam Aadmi Party. Back to studio.